AI is about to replace half the music industry and nobody's ready.
South Florida's #1 source for music and culture. Radio1Miami.com.
AI is quietly taking over DJs, radio, and the very tracks you dance to. Right now, we aren't just talking about algorithms. We're talking about AI generating hit songs in seconds. From Suno to Udio, AI tools are making professional-grade music accessible to anyone with a prompt. But what about the booth? DJs are already using AI to stem split tracks and perfectly beat match on the fly. It's making the technical side easier, allowing creators to focus purely on the energy of the crowd. And radio? It's shifting. AI personalities are now hosting 24/7 streams with localized updates. Imagine a station that knows exactly what you want to hear when you want to hear it without a human in sight. This isn't just a trend, it's a massive industry shift that's changing how artists get paid. When an AI song goes viral, where do the royalties go? The legal battles are just beginning. Is it art if a machine wrote it, or is it just the ultimate tool for human creativity? Many artists fear being replaced, while others are licensing their voices for millions. Remember that AI Drake song? It proved that the look and feel of a star can be replicated. Millions of streams for tracks that were nothing more than a few lines of text a few minutes before. At Radio 1 Miami, we're seeing this firsthand. The lines between human and digital are blurring. The culture is evolving. You can either resist it or learn to play the new game. For the first time, independent creators have the same power as major labels thanks to these AI tools. You don't need $1 million studio anymore. You just need a vision and a prompt. The next generation of DJs will be prompt engineers curating experiences in real time. We're talking holographic performances that can be in 10 cities at the exact same time. In 5 years, your favorite radio station might be 100% personalized to your mood. Music that evolves as you listen, a never-ending, unique stream just for you. But will we lose the soul, the mistakes, the raw emotion? That's what makes music human. AI can mimic the sound, but it can't yet live the life behind the lyrics. That's our edge. The revolution is already here. The question is, are you going to be the one using the tools? Or are you going to get left behind in the static? The music world will never be the same. Stay ahead of the curve, subscribe and follow Radio 1 Miami for the latest in AI and music culture. You thought part 1 was wild? We're just scratching the surface. AI isn't just changing music, it's rebuilding the entire world around it. In this session, we're diving into the deep end, holographic world tours, virtual superstars, and the war for your creative soul. Let's talk about the stars who don't exist. AI virtual influencers are already pulling in millions of followers and top-tier brand deals. These aren't just mascots. They have personalities, backstories, and a fan base that treats them like real people. They never sleep and never age. Festivals are moving into the digital realm. Imagine a Coachella that exists in 10 different servers at once, with unique physics for everyone. This is the Live 3.0 experience. It's multi-sensory, hyper-personalized, and completely untethered from the physical world. It's total synergy. But with all this innovation comes a massive legal headache. Who actually owns an AI-generated voice or a machine-learned melody? Labels are scrambling. Laws written decades ago are being shredded by neural networks that learn in seconds. The battle is just beginning. If you spent 10 hours engineering the perfect prompt, is that song yours? Or does it belong to the company that built the AI? This is the prompt war. The bridge between human intent and machine execution is the new creative frontier. Then there's the ethical side. Should we be resurrecting legendary artists like Elvis or Kurt Cobain using their training data? Fans are torn. Is it a tribute or a cash grab? The line between honoring a legacy and exploiting it is becoming razor thin. At Radio 1 Miami, we're seeing a new wave of hybrid creators who use AI as a co-pilot, not a replacement. It's about amplification. It's about amplification. One person can now sound like an entire symphony or a full production house. Are record labels obsolete? When you can market, produce, and distribute via AI, why do you need the old gatekeepers anymore? The gatekeepers are losing their keys. The direct-to-fan relationship is being rewritten by smart algorithms. DJs are becoming curators of possibilities. AI can now remix a track live based on the exact biometric energy levels in the room. The music is no longer static. It's a living, breathing response to the moment. Every set is truly unique. Soon, your radio station won't be a channel. It'll be a personalized frequency that only exists for you in this very moment. A soundtrack for your life composed in the moment, perfectly tuned to your current biological and emotional state. Total harmony. The bar for entry has never been lower. If you have a story to tell, you now have the tools to tell it globally without $1 million studio. It's a global chorus. The next big star might be a kid in a bedroom with a cheap laptop and a brilliant idea. The revolution is global. We have to ask, if the machine learns from us, does it eventually inherit our soul? Or is it just a mirror reflecting our own brilliance? Music is the ultimate human language. As we teach it to AI, we might be learning more about ourselves than ever before. Soul shift. The revolution didn't just happen, it's happening right now. Don't be a spectator, be a creator. The future of sound is waiting for you. The music world will never be the same. The tools are in your hands. Subscribe to Radio 1 Miami, and let's build the next era together.
South Florida's #1 source for music and culture. Radio1Miami.com.